Today we will study the chemistry portion, chapter 6, and the name of the chapter is metals and non-metals. Students, तुम लोगों को पता होगा what is elements. Okay, the simplest form of a matter is known as elements. And अभी तो हम लोगों को पीरियोडिक टेबल में कितना एलिमेंट्स दिया गया है? 118 एलिमेंट्स. ओके, सो 118 एलिमेंट्स हैव बीन डिस्कवर्ड सो फार. एंड पूरे 118 एलिमेंट्स को हम लोग 3 कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड करते हैं: मेटल्स, metalloids and non-metals. Okay, so some are metals, some are metalloids and some are non-metals. So on the basis of physical properties they are classified as metal, metalloids and non-metals. Okay, so more than one element, see, among all these elements, okay, there are 24 elements which are non-metals and rest are metals and metalloids. And on the basis of physical properties we classify all these materials. We generally look for a metal when we need a strong materials. Generally metals are strong. This is because metals are in general hard and strong. Some examples of metals are, you know very well. You can take examples of potassium, calcium, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, iron, zinc, copper, mercury also, although it is in liquid form, silver, gold and platinum. These are metals. Okay, so metals possess some physical characteristics, and some of the physical characteristics are they are generally hard and strong. For example, you know very well, iron, zinc, tin, copper, these are hard substances and they are strong enough to bear heavy loads. Okay, so ये heavy load को bear कर पाएंगे. इसको वजह से इसी प्रॉपर्टी को, metals का इसी प्रॉपर्टी को बोला जाएगा tensile strength. But there are some metals which are soft metals, and these includes sodium and potassium, and these can be cut with the help of knife. Okay, second one is lustrous property, means they shine. Okay, you take the example of iron, aluminum, zinc, copper, silver and gold. These metals have shiny surfaces. Okay, and such metals can be polished also. Third one is sonorous property. Okay, what is sonorous? When you strike a metal, okay, it will produce cling sound, and this property of the metal is known as what? Sonorous property. Next property is metals are malleable. In other words, they can be beaten or roll into sheets. Okay, if you want to make sheets with the help of metal, you can make the sheets, and this is due to the property of malleability. Next is metals are ductiles, means we make electric wires and many types of wires from metals. This is possible due to the property of ductility. Okay, so metal can be stretched into wires. Also, you know, metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. They allow heat to pass through them easily. Due to this property, okay, we make our utensils and many appliances with the help of metals. And due to metals are good conductor of electricity, we use metal wires which transmit electric current, and some of the good conductors of metals are silver, aluminum, copper, etc. So अभी तो हम लोगों को क्या माना जाता है? Silver is the best conductor of heat and electricity, but we do not make electric wires because it is too costly. So you can use aluminum to make the electric wires. Okay, next come to physical properties of non-metals. So in contrast to metals, non-metals are not known for strength, means these doesn't have these, do not have tensile strength. Usually these are lusterless, means dull surfaces, but except graphite and iodine. You know, iodine and graphite have some shiny surfaces, and this can be brittle, means you can break easily the non-metals. Also these are bad conductor of heat and electricity. Also these are non-sonorous. And of these 24 non-metals known today, okay, 12 are solids. These are carbon, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, iodine. And listen students, bromine is liquid, but although it is in liquid form, it doesn't conduct heat and electricity. Okay. So generally you take the example of water, it conduct heat and electricity due to presence of ions. But bromine, it doesn't conduct heat and electricity. Also some other gases, some gases, you know, there are 11 gases are there: hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, chlorine, helium, neon, argon. Okay, these are also non-metals. So these are the basic thing about metal and non-metals. Okay, in the next class we will study the chemical behaviors of metals and non-metals. Thank you.